Khureb BeRuakh, Sword of the Spirit, narrated and interpreted by Wendy.
Haggai. Chapter 1. During the 2nd year of Darius the king, in the 6th month, on the 1st day of the month, the word of Yahuwah came by Haggai the prophet to Zerubbabel, the son of Shealtiel, governor of Yehuda, and to Yehoshua, the son of Jehozadak, the high priest, saying, Thus saith Yahuwah of hosts, saying, These people say, The time has come. The time has not come, the time to build the house of Yahuwah. Then the word of Yahuwah came by Haggai the prophet, saying, Is it time for you to dwell in paneled houses, while this house is ruined? Now therefore, thus saith Yahuwah of hosts, Consider your ways. You have sown much, yet bring in little. You eat, but you do not have enough. You drink, but you are not filled with drink. You clothe yourself, but there is no warmth. And he who earns wages to put it into a bag with holes. Thus saith Yahuwah of hosts, Consider your ways. Go up to the mountain, and bring wood, and build the house, and I will take pleasure in it, and I will be glorified, saith Yahuwah. You looked for much, and lo, it came to little. And when you brought it home, I blew upon it. Why, saith Yahuwah of hosts? Because of my house that is waste. Yet each of you run to his own house. Therefore the heavens have withheld what is due unto you. Also the earth has withheld from her fruit. And I called for a drought upon the land, and upon the mountains, and upon the grain, and upon the new wine, and upon the oil, and upon that which the Adamah brings forth, and upon Adam, and upon livestock, and upon all the labor of the lands, and upon all the labor of the hands. Then Zerubbabel, the son of Shealtiel, and Yehoshua, the son of Jehozadak, the high priest, with all the remnant of the people, obeyed the voice of Yahuwah their Elohim, and the words of Haggai the prophet, as Yahuwah their Elohim had sent him. And the people were reverent before Yahuwah. Then Haggai the messenger of Yahuwah spoke to the people in a message of Yahuwah, saying, I am with you, saith Yahuwah. Then Yahuwah stirred up the Ruach of Zerubbabel, the son of Shealtiel, governor of Yehuda, and the Ruach of Yehoshua, the son of Jehozadak, the high priest, and the Ruach of all the remnant of the people. And they came and did work in the house of Yahuwah of hosts, their Elohim, on the 24th day of the 6th month during the 2nd year of Darius the king. And they came and did work in the house of Yahuwah of hosts, their Elohim, on the 24th day of the 6th month, during the 2nd year of Darius the king. Chapter 2. During the 7th month, on the 21st of the month, the word of Yahuwah came by the prophet Khaggai, saying, Speak now to Zerubbabel, the son of Shealtiel, governor of Yehuda, and to Yehoshua, the son of Jehozadak, the high priest, and to those remaining of the people, saying, Among you, who is left that saw the house during her first glory? And how do you see it now? In comparison to it, is it not as if nothing? Yet now be strong, O Zerubbabel, saith Yahuwah, and be strong, O Yehoshua, son of Jehozadak, the high priest, and be strong all the people from the land, and work, saith Yahuwah, for I am with you, saith Yahuwah of hosts, according to the word that is covenanted with you when you came out of Mitzrayim. So too my BeRuack remains among you. Do not fear, for thus saith Yahuwah of hosts, Still a little while more, and I will shake the heavens, and the earth, and the sea, and the dry land. And I will shake all nations. Then the desire of all nations will come, and I will fill this house with glory, saith Jehu of hosts. The silver is mine, and the gold is mine, saith Jehu of hosts. The glory of this latter house will be greater than the former, saith Jehu of hosts. And I will give peace in this place, saith Jehu of hosts. On the 24th of the 9th month, during the 2nd year of Darius, the word of Jehu came to Haggai. The word of Jehu came to Haggai the prophet, saying, Thus saith Jehu of hosts, Now ask the priest about the torah, saying, If someone carries holy flesh in the skirt of his garment, and his skirt touches bread, or pottage, or wine, or holy, or oil, or any food, will it be holy? And the priest answered and said, No. Then Haggai said, If someone who is unclean by a dead body touches any of these, it will be unclean. And the priest answered and said, It will be unclean. If someone who is unclean by a dead body touches any of these, will it be unclean? And the priest answered and said, It will be unclean. Then Haggai answered and said, So too is this people, and so too is this nation before me, saith Jehu, and so too is every work of their hands. Also that which they offer here is unclean. And now, I pray you, consider from today and onward, from before a stone that was laid upon a stone in the temple of Jehu. Since those days were when the first came to the heap of 20 measures, there were only 10. When someone came to the pressed fat to draw out 50 vessels out of the press, there was only 20. I struck you with blasting, and with mildew, and with hail, in the labors of your work. Yet you did not turn to me, saith Jehu. Now consider from today and upward, from the 24th day of the 9th month, even from the day that the foundation of the temple of Jehu was laid. Is the seed still in the barn? Yes, as yet the vine and the fig tree and the pomegranate and the olive tree has not brought forth. From today I will bless you. From today I will bless you. And again the word of Jehu came to Haggai on the 24th of the month, saying, Speak to Zerubbabel, governor of Yehuda, saying, I will shake the heavens and the earth, and I will overthrow the throne of kingdoms, and I will destroy the strength of the kingdom of the nations, and I will destroy the chariots and those who ride in them, and the horses and their riders will come down, everyone by the sword of his brother. During that day, saith Jehu of hosts, I will take you, O Zerubbabel, my servant, the son of Shealtiel, saith Jehu, and will make you like a signet, for I have chosen you, saith Jehu of hosts. The end. Thank you for listening to my interpretation of Jeshojehu. I hope that you find my Bible series, Khureb BeRuakh, Sword of the Spirit, enlightening. The word of Jehu is a treasure trove of mysteries. It's amazing what you'll discover when you read it with your eyes open. My name is Wendy, and you've been called out of darkness